Good morning or good afternoon, depending on when you are watching this. Today is Monday, October 29th. There are no live sessions today, but you are expected to work asynchronously in your courses. So for continuing algebra, that will be problem of the week. I'm going to show it with you in just a minute. It's due today and it closes Sunday, November 11th. Don't forget, though, to complete any missing assignments, specifically or most importantly, Unit 2 assignments. There's the 2.1 practices and the 2.1 quiz. That's for GCF. Then there's the LCM practices, A and B, and the LCM quiz. Then there's the 2.3 where we learn the laws of exponents and we have practices A, B, and C, and the 2.3 quiz. And then 2.4 is more on laws of exponents using multiple laws to simplify an expression, practices A and B, and then 2.4 quiz. And then the test that was assigned last week, 2.5, Unit 2 test, Part 1 and Part 2. So there's a multiple choice fill in the blank section, and then there is a folder, a teacher graded assignment that you must submit. I will be entering zeros in if you have not completed them yet today, and then you have until Wednesday, November 7th, the end of the quarter, to complete the quizzes and the tests. They close at the end of the quarter. So the problem of the week, again, is assigned and due today, Monday, October 29th, and it closes on Sunday, November 11th. Remember, you are allowed to make corrections and resubmit for regrading based on my feedback. The difference for this time is I'm not going to be giving the 5 points for participation for effort. It will just be a 1 out of 0 to 4 grade based on the quality and correctness. So make sure you read the directions, which I'll read now to you. For each question, read the directions carefully. Make sure to answer all parts, A through C, so that's A, B, and C. Please put your final answer on the line provided. See down here, there's an answer line. And make sure to explain your work as instructed. It says, what is the value of the exponent n? Show your work, explain which law of exponents supports your answer. So the expression is 3 squared times 3 to the nth power simplifies to 3 to the 20th power. And you have to figure, in order for that to be correct, what is the value of n? Part B, the expression 7 to the nth power is divided by 7 to the 5th power, and it simplifies to 7 to the p power. If n equals 18, what is the value of the exponent p? So you need to replace n with 18 in that quotient, simplify it, see what your answer is, and that will determine what p equals. Show your work and explain how you found your answer. Again, you can specify the law of exponents that you used, show what that law tells you to do with the exponents, show the calculations, the math, and then put your final answer on the answer line provided. Okay? The expression, the quantity 4 to the p power times 4 to the first power is raised to the third power. It simplifies 4 to the 15th power. Eric was asked to find the value of p and said that the answer is p equals 11. Is Eric correct? Why or why not? So again, your answer should be yes or no, why or why not. Again, you should show your work. So you have two choices here. One suggestion would be to actually simplify this so that it equals 415 on your own. So do it like we did parts A and B and see if you get 11. Okay? If you don't, then maybe you can identify what he did wrong. If you do get 11, then you say, yes, he's correct. And your work will explain why it is correct. Okay, what law you used, and show the calculation, the math. And again, so that's what I would suggest. That's one way to do it, is that you would solve it for P using your laws of exponents. And there might be multiple laws that you need to use here, and see if you get P equals 11. If you do, then you say Eric's correct and your work shown should be support enough. If you don't get 11, then you might want to indicate that Eric is incorrect and where he made his mistake. All right. If you have any questions, give me an email. Have a great day, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.